Welcome back to Brain Crush Daily.
First, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button.
Which organ removes toxins from the blood? The answer is liver. Which organ stores urine in the body? It's the bladder. What is the main function of the adrenal glands? They help control blood pressure and stress. Which condition causes loss of bone mass? The correct answer is osteoporosis. Which specialist treats the nervous system and brain? That's a neurologist. What is most harmful to the heart? Bacon is one of the worst choices here. What does UTI stand for? The answer is urinary tract infection. Which habit is most harmful to the lungs? Smoking is the answer. What is the primary male sex hormone? It's testosterone. What does the thyroid gland mainly do? It controls metabolism. What is most harmful to the liver? Fried foods can do serious damage over time. What is the healthiest drink for the human body? Simple answer, water. Here's a brain question. About how much oxygen does the brain consume? Around 20%. What gives blood its red color? The answer is hemoglobin. What is most harmful to the kidneys? Energy drinks are a bad choice. Which doctor specializes in pregnancy care? The answer is obstetrician. Which lung disease is caused by bacteria? It's tuberculosis. What does ADHD stand for? The answer is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Which organ produces urine? The kidneys do this important job. What is most harmful to the brain? Sugary drinks can seriously affect brain health. What is the primary function of the spleen? The answer is blood filtration. Which fruit is a great natural source of vitamin C? Oranges are the answer. What is the study of the heart called? It's cardiology. Which drink is most harmful to bones? Soft drinks are the correct answer. Which doctor specializes in performing surgery? That's a surgeon. What is the average resting heart rate for a healthy adult? Around 60 to 100 beats per minute. Which food is most harmful to the stomach lining? Spicy foods are the answer. What is the scientific name for the collarbone? It's called the clavicle. What is the strongest bone in the human body? The answer is the femur. What is most harmful to the bladder? Soda drinks are not a healthy option. What does CT scan stand for? The answer is computed tomography. Want to reduce stress and improve mental health? Regular exercise helps a lot. Which body system protects us from diseases? The answer is the immune system. Which food is most harmful to the skin? Fried foods can really affect skin health. How many common blood types are there, including the Rh factor? The answer is 8. What is the main function of carbohydrates? They provide energy. Which organ can regenerate after damage? The liver is amazing at this. What is the function of the pineal gland? It helps induce sleep. Which organ is often called the laziest organ? The answer is the appendix. What is the normal breathing rate for an adult? Around 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Which disease is caused by vitamin C deficiency? The answer is scurvy. Which body part detects light and allows us to see? It's the eyes. Which organ helps regulate blood pressure? The kidneys play a big role. Which blood vessels carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart? The answer is arteries. During which sleep stage do vivid dreams usually happen? REM sleep is the answer. Which type of muscle is found in internal organs? The answer is smooth muscle. Which habit is important for mental clarity? Getting enough sleep makes a huge difference. Here's a tricky one. Which bone is not attached directly to any other bone? The answer is the hyoid bone. About how much protein does an average adult need daily? Around 40 to 60 grams. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body nonstop? It's the heart.